Welcome to your Gradelink website demo video. My name is Vince, and I'll be taking you through the different packages, pricing, and features that come with every Gradelink website. The first package we offer is the Do-It-Yourself Basic package. If you choose this one, you'll be able to select one of our high-quality website templates. We'll set up the base template for you, and you'll go in and add your school's logo, colors, images, and written content. In addition to providing you with website tutorial videos, we'll provide up to 5 hours of additional assistance from our professional website team to help you get set up. Once your website is ready, we'll launch it for you and you'll be all set. The Do-It-Yourself package starts at $9.97 and usually best fits schools that are just starting out. The next website package is the Quick Start, which is by far our most popular. You'll still be able to have as many pages as you want on the website. We'll take care of adding all of your school's content, including your logo, customizing it with your colors, your images, and your written content. We'll also build out custom forms on your website, including a book a tour form, scheduling a consultation, requesting more information, application, donation forms, etc. Once we've completed the design, you'll get a round of revisions to make sure everything's up to your specifications. From there, we'll launch the website and you'll be up and ready to go with your brand new Gradelink website. The Quick Start package starts at $27.97. Finally, we have our premium package. The main difference between the premium and the Quick Start packages is that the premium involves a completely custom design. We'll include up to 20 unique page designs, which can be applied to an unlimited number of pages. We'll take care of adding all of your content, including logos and pictures, as well as building out any custom forms you might need. From there, you'll get 2 rounds of revisions to make sure you're completely happy with the design. Premium package starts at $49.97, one-time setup fee. Every one of our website packages comes with monthly maintenance for only $77 per month. This website maintenance includes premium website hosting, daily security checks, making sure that your website never gets hacked, a dedicated account representative on our website support team, and allocated time for support every month. It also includes website accessibility compliance. If you're wondering what that means, we include technology on our websites that automatically helps anyone with visual impairment to better navigate the website. Not only is this beneficial for any of your website visitors that may have a visual impairment, but it is also a deterrent for any potential lawsuits related to ADA claims and accessibility. One of the questions you may be wondering about is, will I be able to make edits to the website? The answer is yes, absolutely. Every one of our website packages includes the ability for you to take full administrative control of your website and make edits as you see fit. We'll even train you how to manage your own website. At the same time, you'll also have our dedicated website support team to help you out anytime you need. If you're concerned that you might not be tech savvy enough to manage your own website, don't worry. Our website platform is so easy to manage that 90% of our clients are able to make basic edits after watching the first tutorial video. Now I'd like to cover what makes Gradelink's websites different. Gradelink has been serving the education industry for over a decade. We've got the expertise and know-how to help your school get where it needs to be. With every website that we build, we apply our 5 website must-haves methodology, which means that your website is specifically designed to book more tours and convert more prospective families. In addition, it also has features to help your existing parents navigate the website more efficiently. For example, every website template that we've built includes a My School page, which is a one-stop shop for your existing parents. It'll include things like a link to your Gradelink account if you have our SIS product, as well as tuition software and links to any other general resources that your existing parents may need. You may also notice that the Book a Tour button appears many times across our templates. A clear call to action on the site is very important when it comes to converting prospective families and getting them in touch with your school. Every Gradelink template also includes sections for Gradelink testimonials and reviews, which will help strengthen the first impression that you make on prospective families that visit your website. Getting started with Gradelink websites is easy. From there, you'll receive a link to choose your template and submit your website content. If you have any questions after this website demo, please email websites@gradelink.com with your question or call 800-742-3083. Thank you for joining me for this website demo, and we look forward to hearing from you to get your Gradelink website set up soon.